Hello, welcome. My name is Laurie Potts. I am a physical therapist with Rifton and very happy to have this opportunity to show you the Rifton Adaptive Desk. So what's great about this desk is that it's large enough to be wheelchair accessible or adaptive chair accessible. And then as well, there is height adjust, and the height adjust raise is with a foot pedal. It goes from as low as you see here, all the way up to standing height with a simple gas assist. And so that is a feature that allows the child to change their position from sitting to standing. It allows you to accommodate different heights of power wheelchairs. It even allows you to facilitate a child who may be spending time in their stander to still have time at their desk as a work surface. Then there is the possibility of angle adjust as well. And that is with this lever here. So here again we have gas assist, infinite adjustment, any angle, all the way up to 50 degrees. So notice that these adjustments are for the therapist or teacher or parent as they're facing the student or child or young adult. And that allows you to be very specific with your position in terms of their elbow height, in terms of their head position for their vision, in terms of their optimal angle for their handwriting or other task using one of their upper extremities. So you can really fine-tune that. You can even adjust that within the session itself to really make sure you've optimized that for that particular user. Then we have different surface options. There is the black that you see here. There's also a maple top or a gray. The tilt itself is an option. So you could choose to get a desk that's simply horizontal, or you could choose to get a desk with that tilt built in. You can also choose to get a desk that's not mobile, or you can choose to get it with the casters. As you can see, there are some add-ons. And one of the add-ons is this elbow extension surface. So rather than having a cutout that would reduce your work surface area, we have elbow extensions that attach with a simple knob. And there's two positions, closer or farther out. And within those two positions, because of these slots, you can have a bit of further adjustment. So they may be asymmetrically placed in some cases. And that is your elbow support. Another add-on is the wheel extension, anti-tipper, roller. In the case of getting a desk that does not have wheels, you could choose to very simply secure these onto the frame at one end, and that will allow you to just tip up the desk and slide it through a doorway, for example. Or you can have both anti-tippers or rollers placed on the wide edge of the frame. And the purpose here is that in the case of a student who may want to tip their desk, that way it is impossible to tip it. It will simply roll a little bit forward as they lift it and move it. So these add-ons are all accessories that you don't need to purchase, but that you have that option to buy as well. There is also the side storage box, which clips on very easily at the side. So that's this little lever here that's going to allow you to slide that into place and secure it on the side. There's also the pencil ledge, which extends the already existing ledge here at the front. And that gives you a nice further surface for holding a book or writing utensils. And then the black surface, which is very useful for your cortical visual impairment, can also be, by choice, magnet ready. And this allows you to place a magnetic whiteboard on the surface, and that then becomes a surface for dry erase markers as well as magnets, particularly as you're using it in a more upright angled position. So having this desk available to your special ed teachers in the classroom, mobile and able to use it between more than one student, is a great advantage. This is an adaptive device holder, which just secures on the edge and allows you to place the clamp of your AAC device on any edge of the desk. And here is a ledge, which, again, you can place anywhere on the surface, use it as a holder for materials or as a ledge, very strong magnet, so you can really make use of that for your materials. So really we have a unit that meets all the immediate demands in the special ed classroom environment or in a home environment in terms of a learning surface that is versatile and adaptable, tool-free, and ready to use in myriad different situations for both wheelchair students and ambulatory students when that's indicated. And this is the large that you see here. There's also a smaller desk size that's compatible with the Rifton Compass chair line and the small activity chair. So hopefully you found that interesting to get an overview of Rifton's new adaptive desk. Thank you for your attention. That's great.